children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Once again, good morning to all of you. Good morning, all of you. Sit, please stable your cameras. I can see many of you are moving in your room, in your area. This Dhruv Patel, I want you at your place. Dhruv Patel, I want you at your place, please.
Ma'am, I am at the Nani house.
Okay, mute your mics, please. And I want everyone to sit at their place with their microphone off.
Ma'am,
Yes, Riva.
ma'am, I'm saying that my mom and dad both can come.
It's written, my dear, it's oh, probably one person is allowed.
No,
Okay.
ma'am, you have sent in the classroom that it has written maximum of
Maximum
two.
2% can come.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Renu ma'am, can I show my drawing to you?
Yes, show me, please.
See this. The
Let me
girl is doing like this.
let me pin you. Very nice. You did it?
Yes.
Good. So, children, you all know that today is our last assessment, right? Assessment 4. So, before moving to the assessment 4, I was thinking that I need to explain this question once more, right? This type of question when there is a parcel questions, how to find out the rates. For example, for parcel weighing, the weight of the parcel, if the weight of the parcel is 15 grams or less than 15 grams, the charges, mute your mics please and listen carefully. 15 grams or less than 15 grams, the rate will be 8 rupees. Suppose if your parcel is only 13 grams, then also you have to pay 8 rupees. Because it's saying that if your parcel weight is 15 grams or less than 15 grams, so how much minimum charges you have to pay? Children, tell me, respond me now. How much?
8 rupees.
8 rupees. So
Ma'am,
minimum.
8 rupees.
Yes, minimum 8 rupees you have to pay. Whether it is 6 grams, 8 grams, 2 grams, 3 grams. But if it is less than 15 grams or 15 grams, then minimum 8 rupees you have to pay. For example, Anvi wants to send a parcel, but the weight is only 7 grams. Then also she has to pay rupees 8. Clear? But Meet wants to send the parcel, his weight is 14 grams. Then also he has to pay how much amount? 8 rupees.
8.
Because minimum 8 rupees we have to pay. Second situation is saying if your parcel is more than 15 gram, what you have to do? For every additional 10 grams, 5 rupees will be charged. Additional 10 grams or less than 10 grams, here the situation comes. Less than also. For example, if the parcel weight is only 20 grams. So for this, what you will do, according to the first situation, separate the 15 gram. Mute your mic, please. Ayush, please mute your
Ma'am,
mic.
I have a doubt.
Later on.
Ma'am,
Later on. Mute your mic, please. If the parcel weight is 20 grams, so what you do, first of all, you see how much is the total. For example, in this question, if we see, I'm not taking 20 grams example, I'm telling this only now. For example, now according to the postal rates, find the price of the parcel with 45 grams. Somebody wants to send 45 grams. So this type of questions में first of all आपकी नजर सबसे ज्यादा पहले पहुंचनी चाहिए कि how much weight parcel you are sending. लास्ट लाइन पे आपकी सबसे पहले नजर जानी चाहिए कि पार्सल जो है आपका वो कितने ग्राम्स का है. So here the what is the parcel weight is 45 grams.
Grams.
तो सबसे पहले आप इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में देखोगे कि आपके पार्सल का वेट कितना है. Weight is 45 grams. अब इस 45 ग्राम्स को आप एक्सपेंड कैसे करोगे? एक्सपेंड करना है फर्स्ट सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग. फर्स्ट सिचुएशन है 15 ग्राम्स, तो आपका जो 45 ग्राम्स है जो एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में बनेगा, तो इसका फर्स्ट जो नंबर होगा 15 ग्राम्स. अब 45 में से 15 वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिडक्टेड, वो फर्स्ट रूल के अकॉर्डिंग चलेगा. बाकी रिमेनिंग कितने ग्राम्स है? 30 ग्राम्स. जो 30 ग्राम्स जो है वो एक्सपेंड होंगे सेकेंड सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग.
Ma'am, can I say answer?
No, no,
Ma'am,
no, mute yourself everyone first. So 15 ग्राम्स में से 15 ग्राम्स जाएंगे फर्स्ट सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग. रिमेनिंग 30 ग्राम्स जाएंगे, every 10 will go according to the second situation. So 10 is 25, again 10, 35, again 10 grams, it's 45. Now you have expended
Put
your
your right side, please.
now.
yes, ma'am.
Is it visible now?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, now it's visible.
I can't see you. Okay,
Ma'am, now it's visible. It's
I used to
properly
log
visible.
out and log in again.
Ayush, pin her presentation.
Ma'am,
Pin,
I have already.
she's not presenting. She's not presenting. You pin her name. She's
I
doing
used
it.
to log out and
Ma'am.
log in again. Simply, maybe some network issue. Ayush, log out and simply log in. So we have expended this 45 grams this way. First, according to first situation, and rest will be according to the next situation, right? So now,
ma'am, is that compulsory that we have to write 15?
yes,
and
yes, no, it is compulsory that you have to expend this weight according to the situations given. अगर आपकी first situation 10 grams पे ही बोलती है, तो your first number should be 10. So it is 15. Now, what is the price for 15 grams? It's 8, which is compulsory. For every additional 10 is 5. Next additional is 10. Next additional is also 10. Now, oh, sorry. You are also not reminding me. Additional is 5. Next additional is also 5. And next additional is also 5. Now add them. 8 plus 5 is how much?
13.
13 plus 5?
18.
18 plus 5?
23.
So what is the price? Rupees 20.
Rupees 23.
23.
Very good. अगर इस नंबर को आपको एक्सपेंड करना आ गया अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशंस, देन आपको प्राइस निकालना भी आ जाएगा. Am I clear to you all? Yes or no? First of all, you should
Yes, ma'am.
see this number. You should see first situation. So first जो situation होगी, पहला part आपका उसी का ही होगा. If first situation is saying 10 grams or less than 10 grams, the charges is rupees 5. So your first expended number should be 10. Clear? Your first expended number should be 10. 45 में से 10 minus करें 35. Second situation is telling for every additional 5 grams is rupees 2. So every additional 5 grams means you 10 कर रहे हैं. अब जो additional 5 के बनेंगे पेयर्स 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 10 पे तो आपको 5 देना है. 5 grams पे 2, next 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 पे 2 and next पे 2. So now you add them. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So what will be the price?
19 rupees. 19 rupees.
Rupees 19.
Got it again कि आपको एक्सपेंड करना आ गया अगर नंबर को सिचुएशंस के अकॉर्डिंग, तो आप प्राइस भी निकाल पाओगे. क्लियर? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
I want to do one announcement. As you all know that yesterday I have posted in the classroom that your PTM is going to be started, and it is on 25th and 26th, 2 days. I hope you all have checked your name in the list. Is there any child whose name is not there in the list? please write it in the comment box or please mail it to me so that I can add your name, and final list will be posted tomorrow. So please, before that, please send me your name if it is not there in the list. Are you all aware that PTM is going to start it on 25th and 26th,
Yeah.
2 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
all checked your name is there in the slot or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Is there any child whose name is not there in the list? Please let me know today itself, because tomorrow
Ma'am, not seeing the list.
you have to check your name. Okay, Megdad?
Excuse me, ma'am.
I am requesting everyone to check their name in the list. If their name is not there in the list, please let me know today, by today, in the comment box, or send me a mail. Yes, Anya Mittal.
Excuse me, ma'am. Tomorrow is the last day of the class.
Yes, tomorrow is the last day of your online class. Then you have 1 week holidays, and then from 1st April again we have next class.
Ma'am, at 24th, there is regular class on. There is a
No,
holiday.
there is a holiday.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow is the last class, last online class.
Even one more doubt that next year class will
Everyone will speak together. Is it possible for me?
Ma'am, I want to speak. May I speak?
Riva Kataria is writing that Migdad name is not there. Let me check Migdad.
Ma'am, the name is there on 26.
Ma'am, how we can do in 35?
Ma'am,
10 grams.
Ma'am, for textbook and all, we have to go to school and bring.
My
What is
dear,
the timing of the
everything is written in the circular. Anya, okay. Everything is written there. When you come for the PTM, that time only you have to meet with for the books and all.
Ma'am, if I was having a doubt
Hmm.
that online class will be only continued from 1st April for grade 5.
From 1st April. Please mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, have you sent the link in the chat box?
I have not sent yet.
Yes, ma'am. I was just. Ma'am, I have a doubt. May I send the slot in classroom or Gmail? Excuse me, ma'am. May I speak?
Wait, Prisha, wait. Vansh Balchandani, I have already posted yesterday in the classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
When you open the link, Catherine ma'am, can I mute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, ma'am. Vansh Balchandani, I have already posted yesterday. When you open the link, you will able to see your name. Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, I was speaking that as for 27th March is on Saturday, so 29th and 31st March. So from when the next week's Wednesday, the schools will start, or from the Monday?
My dear, tomorrow is your last working day for this month, and your next classes will start from 1st of April.
Ma'am, will it be online? The 1st April will be the working day, or from the working day, or
We will let you know. You will come for the PTM, right? Everything will let you know on that day. Your timings, your slots, your timetable for next session, everything. That's why we have arranged a PTM.
Ma'am, it's online or offline?
PTM is offline.
Ma'am, I'm telling the next session will begin, so it will be online.
Are you coming for PTM?
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
give all information on the PTM day. I think you all are clear. Your all information queries will be solved on the PTM day. Please ensure that you are attending your PTM. Are you all ready for your assessment now?
Ma'am, can children come?
If it is very much necessary, then only the children can come. It's written in the circular that if it is very much necessary to attend the PTM, then only it is required. Now, I am going to post the link and then we will meantime discuss. Link is posted in the chat box. I'm going to post it in the classroom also. In case if you log out from the meeting, log in the Google Form from the classroom. Now I'm going to give one common instruction for everyone. No one will ask after that. Again, the same thing. Children, it is not required that compulsorily you will do all the questions in your notebook. If you need to do the rough work, then only you take the help of your notebook and then click the final answer in your Google form. And you are not required to send me your notebook also. Only I want your Google form. Am I clear with everyone? And once you submit, you will get the answers. You will get your marks also. I hope I'm clear with everyone. If any doubts, please write it in the chat box. No one will unmute their mics and speak. And I request parents, please do not help your child. Khush Kapadia, please, I'm requesting you not to take the help. I'm requesting parents, please do not help your child. Let them do by themselves. Sit properly, Dharya, and stop doing whatever you are doing, please. Read the question properly. Whether it is asking, they are asking perimeter, they are asking area, read it properly and then give the answer.
Mama, I didn't understand the 11th question.
Okay. Mute yourself, I will read. Find the perimeter of the given figure. So what you have not understood in this, Migdal? You need to find
measures.
You need to find out perimeter from the outside, not from the inside.
Okay, so now the white says.
Make that whatever you have understood from our last classes, you attempt it on that basis, please. This is your figure. You need to count the squares from outside and need to find out the perimeter from the boundary. Vivan, it's done. Vihan Patel.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in 3. 1.
Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are this. If there is any figure and you need to find out the perimeter, what you have to do, Vedi? If you have attended the class sincerely, if you have understood the concept, you may easily can do it. Whether it is a triangle, whether it is a rectangle, whether it is any kind of a figure, if we are finding the perimeter, what you have to do?
can I send in 6 o'clock?
No. Why? Somebody else will do and then send me the 6 o'clock.
No, ma'am.
It is not. I am not going to accept after my class gets over. I'm going to off the getting the remarks. I will off it and you will not able to submit me.
Ma'am, we have to send this.
Yes, my dear Lakshay, it's your assessment. You have to send me the Google form once you finish it and submit it within the class timings. I request everyone to please turn on their cameras and sit. Anya Mittal, turn on your camera.
When I'm doing CT, it's automatically turn off because I'm doing in tab.
Okay. Arya Razia,
Ma'am,
please.
can you remove me?
Yes?
Can you remove me?
Remove you. Why?
Because I have 2.
Which child is this? Vedi. You log in with 2 IDs.
Yes.
Why?
Because I cancel it.
Because
Ma'am.
I don't know from which. Okay, I'll remove you this one.
Yes. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in question 11, I'm not getting answer only, which is my coming.
It's okay if you are not getting. You try to do it. All answers are there.
Ma'am, I am counting, but it's not coming what my answer is.
Maybe you're doing in some other way, my dear.
That's correct.
Just check.
Ma'am,
Who is this shouting?
ma'am, Vihan.
Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, I have doubt in question 11.
Everyone is having a doubt in question 11. You need to find out the perimeter.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, your
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, can we submit?
Yes.
And the 12th one is also wrong.
My dear, then all answers are wrong, right? If your answer is coming wrong, it shows that my answer is wrong.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, you are not allowed to say any answer. You submit, you do it, and then I will see to it. Okay.
You just check it manually once.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so
11th also is right, and 12th also is right. Children, 11th and 12th, both for answers of both the questions are given right in the options. You please check, verify it, and do it again.
Yeah, ma'am, the answer is correct.
Yes, both the answers are correct. There are options. You please check your answers again. That's why I've given you confusing options. So you need to select which answer is right. Yes, Riddhi.
Can you send the link again because I just got leave?
It's there in the classroom, Riddhi. Go from classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the last
Excuse me, Renu,
assessment. Yes.
Ma'am, in the 12th question, I have take the right answer. Then also it's showing wrong.
Maybe your answer is wrong then.
No, ma'am, my answer was the right only.
Okay, you stay
I
till
have
the last.
picked last.
You stay till last. I'll show you the answers and we will discuss all the answers. Am I clear? You stay till last. Everyone. I think after my class, you don't have any other class, right? So all the students should stay to see the answer and discuss the answer till the last. Please turn on your camera and sit properly. Sit properly with your camera on. Dharya, please turn on your camera. Dharya, Ashvi, Samriddhi, Meet, Ayush, Dhyan Lamha, Migdad, Anushka. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm doing CET. So, ma'am, my camera turns automatically off.
Okay. Next, other also have the same problem.
It
Migdad also.
sometimes happens, ma'am.
Anushka also has the same problem. Riddhi, please, Aryaman Sangai, please turn on your camera and sit. Migdad. If you receive, Anya, your marks, it means I received. Question 11, Prisha, you need to find out the perimeter. It's just little confusing. I know everyone is finding the area.
No, ma'am, I have done the right answer. I haven't done the area. But you can check
You have done the area or perimeter?
I did the perimeter.
You check your answer, option is there. I said if you want to know the answer.
No, ma'am, I don't want to do the answer. Please check my CET. It is showing wrong 11th question.
Stay till last. I'm going to discuss in the last 5 minutes.
Ma'am, did you got my
Yeah, ma'am, now it's
CET?
right, ma'am. The 12th question.
If you have received your Google marks, means I received.
Okay, ma'am, but I'm in my tab it is showing missing only, but I got my marks.
It will not show missing. If I received, means I received. And you
Okay,
received the marks.
Ma'am, after submitting, we will receive our marks.
Yes. I request everyone to please stay after your submissions. I am going to discuss all the answers. Those who are confused, those who are saying what to do, ma'am, the answer is not there, option is not there. To solve these all the problems, they please stay till the last.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush.
ma'am, can I submit the form if I'm done?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm reading from this.
Don't leave the class, please.
Ma'am,
there is a mistake in the 11th question.
We will discuss. Can we discuss after the class?
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a question. I have a doubt in question 11.
We'll discuss after this class. Whatever you know, you submit
Okay,
it.
ma'am.
Do it and submit it. Once everyone submit the Google form, I'll discuss all the answers. Rahil, sit properly.
Ma'am, in my 11th question, find the perimeter of the given figure. So I had ticked the right answer and it is showing the wrong answer.
I will show you and I will discuss with you all that what I am explaining and telling you from the beginning, that I will discuss this question later on. You please stay. Once you submit your Google form, do not leave the class. Don't write your marks in the chat box, please. Gunav, I please request you, you do your Google form, please. Don't take help.
Ma'am, in the
11-1, everyone facing the difficulty. I don't know what you all are doing in the 11th one.
ma'am, there are the answer is
Ma'am, the
20.
answer is wrong. Yes.
No, you are doing in a wrong way. I will explain you how the answer has come. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, please stay. Once you submit, you do not leave your class. Stay till the last. Five minutes are there to submit the Google form. Please submit it fast. Only 36 responses are there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when will we discuss the?
Once everyone will submit after 11:40. Children, not going to accept the Google form once your class gets over. So please submit it fast.
My CT is done.
40 students submitted their assessment. Still, there are some students who need to submit fast. Please submit. Prisha, put this aside. Prisha, stop doing this. Have you submitted your Google form? How much marks you got?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you are asking me?
Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, I got 14, but I got 13, but I have a doubt in the 11th
11th
question
one.
that
Okay.
it should come 14 marks.
Okay. Next.
ma'am, I have a power cut at my home, and my
Okay.
battery will be soon over. So can I leave?
Have you submitted you?
Yes,
How much marks you got?
15 out of 10. 10 out of 15.
10 out of 50. Okay. You can leave. You just tomorrow also I will discuss the answers, right? So you join tomorrow. Leave.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Lamina.
Ma'am, what will I write in the 11th question? The option is wrong.
My dear, one child has stuck with that thing. Now everyone is having the difficulty. You're not using. You please try to do it. Answer is there. Option is there. Don't believe on others that the others are saying it's wrong. You also thinking that it's
No,
wrong.
ma'am, I found the answer and it's wrong.
No, it's right. Option is there. You think it twice or thrice and try to attempt that question. Don't believe on others. Others are saying wrong. If then you also believing that it's wrong. It's right. Option is also there. If your concept is clear, you can able to do it. Okay, children. Children, today only I am going to discuss the 11th question. Rest of the question, if you have any difficulty, I will discuss tomorrow also. Tomorrow also we have a class. So we discuss this paper and few of the quizzes we do on our mental maths ability, right?
Ma'am, we can submit now.
Yes, submit.
I submit, but you not send folder of the work.
No, written work I don't want to see. You just only send me the Google form. Have you submitted, Lakshya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to discuss the
Also
11th.
my 11th one.
Yeah.
Also.
Okay. Now please listen it carefully. I'm going to present my screen and I'm going to explain you the 11th one.
And those who are not down, can I leave? Can we leave?
No, you also listen. Before earlier, you also having a doubt. And I don't know how you submitted and done it. So please stay here and try to attend that.
Ma'am, now I am understood.
Yeah, will you explain them, Vivan, how you understood about the 11th one? Vivan, you know, no? You understood. Will you explain to your friends?
Ma'am, can I explain?
Which side is this?
Ma'am, I want to touch.
There, your answer is right. 11th one.
No, ma'am, but after I saw my question again, then I understood.
So please explain to your friends. Can I stop presenting? You will present your screen and show them.
Ma'am, can I submit?
Yeah, Lama, please submit.
Ma'am, in that it is written find the perimeter, but it is beside it is written one square is equal to 1 square centimeter. Means you have to find the area.
You have to find the area. Why? You need mute yourself, everyone. Wait, I will present. Guna, mute yourself, please. Okay.
Ma'am, your
Now-
presentation screen is not visible.
Now please check. It's visible. Now visible, Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. Children, it's saying that you need to find out the perimeter of the square, where the square is 1 square centimeter. If it is the area is 1 square centimeter, means the length of each square is 1 centimeter. Am I clear? Because the area says length into breadth. 1 into 1 is 1, means each side is 1 centimeter. So we need to find out the perimeter of the outside. We need to count the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the length of this side?
6 centimeters.
Next, come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the length of this side?
6 centimeters.
6 plus 6 is?
12
12.
centimeters.
And it's an irregular shape. It's an irregular. Mute yourself, please. Then only I will able to explain you. Oh. So this is 6 centimeter. This side is also 6 centimeter. Now we count this one. 1, 2. So 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 2 is 18. Then 2 this side. 1, 2. The 19, 20. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 this side. It's 24. 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Till here we counted 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. So what is the total perimeter of this figure?
24 centimeters.
Ma'am, I had a doubt that why then it is written square centimeter. I have done.
Yes, the answer is square centimeter.
Listen now. It's given 1. My dear, listen here. Why it is given here that is the area is 1 square centimeter? Because the length of each square is 1. When you find the area of each square, the small square, length into breadth means 1 into 1. Clear till here? So what is the length of each side square? 1 centimeter. When you count all these small squares, then your complete length of one side is 6 centimeter. Don't get yourself confused. Try to understand what is given here. I have not directly given you that each side is 1 centimeter or the each square length is 1 centimeter. I have given you the area of the each square is 1 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra. Listen first.
Ma'am,
So,
actually, ma'am.
can I speak and complete my words?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you all understood if the area of one small square is 1 square centimeter, means its length breadth is the length of one square is 1 centimeter. So when you are counting the length of the outside borders, the perimeter, when you reach and count the full length, it will be 6 centimeter. This way you need to count the length and the sides of the squares. Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying,
Ma'am,
may I print my screen and show you what I want to say?
Yes, please. I'm.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell you what I
Wait,
have
wait, wait. Catherine, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can leave. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Prisha, please present.
I want to also store.
Please stop now, Rahil.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Yes.
So, ma'am, this 24 centimeters I have done. So, it is showing correct answer is 24 square centimeters.
Let me
So, we
check.
can't.
Yeah, that let me check. Whether it is on the square centimeters, the option is.
No, ma'am, I have done on 24 centimeters. That is showing me wrong.
Your that answer may be that it is. I will check it manually. Okay. Then I will check it manually. If your answer is 24 centimeter, your answer is right.
Yes, ma'am. So, that I was telling.
If your
Ma'am, I
answer
also had that only doubt. I have written 24 centimeter, not square centimeter.
if your answer is 20, if your answer is 24 centimeter, I will check in front of you only, people, right? I am going to present you my screen and I will check. Just check those who got the 24 centimeter, those who have written, they will get the additional marks, 1 mark. Okay. I'm going to present them. Just check. If your answer is 24 centimeter, then your answer is right. So 24 centimeter, this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have written 24, I will mark their answer right. And I will add their.
I have done 24.
Ma'am, I also done 24.
I'm telling no, those who have done 24, their answer is right.
Ma'am, first time what I mistake did I, my answer was coming 23 because that one square was there. I was counting that two sides 1 centimeter only, not 2 centimeter.
Okay. So your mistake. So you pick on which answer?
24 centimeter because when I count again, then I counted 2 centimeter only.
So if you have counted 24, your answer is 24 centimeter, then it's
But
right.
it's wrong. It's showing wrong.
I will, what I told just now, Rudra, I'm going to check it manually, right?
Ma'am, it came right. If you do view score again, then it will show right.
Yes, I have corrected there. Yes. Now your marks are how much marks you got, Prisha? You got full?
I got 13 on 14.
14, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So it will be checked manually.
Ma'am, it was 14 marks test or 15 marks test?
Yes, ma'am, it was 15.
So it is showing 13 on 14.
13 on 14, no. It is 50. You will got
Ma'am,
14.
it's showing 14 out of 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check.
It's not giving marks for 11th.
So I will add the mark for 11th. Clear? Thank you.
Ma'am, the assessment was